What a beautiful day. We decided to walk here sa Iligan Wet Park. Sadly, it rained. So, by the way, this is Helen
Aglaag, tog iligan. Enroll na daig ka, girl.
and
Girl.
Dani girl. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day because we want to go home now.
Gusto na lang kami ulod. Ang ulod. Cute eh. So, talingaw. Wow.
So, I am filming while there is tao sa taas. Nag-ayos sa among atop kay kagahapon nag-ulan. So, nag-ayos siya but it will never stop. Will never stop me from filming this bitaw, guys. So, let me share my thoughts. Okay, I've always had this immense love for capturing moments or filming things that I truly cherish. It's about the simple joy of documenting the things I love, whether it's a serene sunset, a moon, a candid laugh, a flower, a bottle of water. Yes, I understand. These are the moments that fill my heart with so much joy. Yeah. And you know what's even more beautiful? It's the process of growth, how things change.
Sige.
Muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig.
I'm just going to say eat chocolate, lose weight. Ano siya, everyone loves chocolate. But now research is showing that chocolate has numerous health benefits. Depende siguro sa chocolate, no? From regulating blood pressure to lowering blood sugar. And new studies have shown that people who regularly eat chocolate tend to weigh 10 to 15 pounds less than those who don't. So what's the catch? According to Dr. Will Clover, there isn't one. You can have your chocolate without the guilt and lose weight too. All you have to do is to take the chocolate challenge, an 8-week plan that reveals which type of chocolate is the healthiest and exactly how you should eat. You should be eating it to maximize all of its surprising health benefits, and exactly how you should be eating to maximize all the surprising health benefits, including weight loss of up to 20 pounds in 8 weeks, reduced appetite and food cravings, prevention and reversal of diabetes, improved dental health, significant improvement in blood pressure, enhanced energy levels up to 50%, increased skin moisture, and UV protection. What are you waiting for, guys? Inani ka baga, before ka makang chocolate. Papakay ka lang.